Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so here the question says that a 50-gram chunk of 80 degrees Celsius iron is dropped into a cavity of very large block of ice, right? So it's not possible that all the ice will melt, right? So only some part of the ice will be melted because it's very large. So the part of ice that will be melted depends upon how much heat the iron loses before it reaches to 0 degrees Celsius. So let us first find out the heat lost by Q lost by iron before it reaches or on reaching to 0 degrees Celsius. It reaches from 80 to 0. So let me write this like this: 80 degrees Celsius to 0 degree Celsius. That is equal to a mass of iron, right, into a specific heat capacity of iron into change in temperature. So that is dt, and that is dt is 80 here. Now mass of iron is 50 grams, so let me write it as 50 here. Specific heat capacity of iron is given as 0.1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius, so 0.11. The change in temperature is 80. Okay, now this heat is received by what? The ice, right? So mass of ice melted, this is Q, okay, is equal to Q upon latent heat of fusion, right? Now latent heat of fusion, we know that is 80 calorie per grams. So 50 into 0.11 into 80 upon latent heat of fusion for ice is 80. That is the heat required to convert or change 1 gram of ice to water, right, at 0 degrees Celsius. So 80 cancel out here. This gives me 5.5 grams. Okay, so this shows that 5.5 grams of ice will melt